This is the Apple Watch Series 7, maybe one of the biggest updates to the Apple Watch since the Series 4, with it getting a much bigger display and thinner bezels. Inside of the packaging, we actually get a closer look at in a second. You have your typical documentation and paperwork with no Apple stickers included here. And then finally, there's the all-new charger. So what's different about this year's charging cable is it now uses USB-C instead of USB-A, which Apple says helps it achieve charging speed. But let's take a look at the watch itself. So at first glance, it looks a lot like the Series 6, but there are some subtle differences. To turn the screen on. As we wait for the watch to boot up, let's quickly unbox the included sports band, 3 and older. And this is without the watch itself being that much bigger. Apple was able to do this by reducing the bezels or the borders by 40%, with those borders being so thin that the screen actually reaches the part of the glass that curves. So I guess technically you could say this is a curved edge display, with Apple taking full advantage